You guys want another quick and easy dinner idea? My kids ask me for this all the time, so let me show you how to make a quick, easy, and delicious picadillo con papa y elote. Cheers! For this recipe, we're gonna start off by preparing the sauce. I set my pot on low-medium heat, and I'm gonna add 2 cups of water, 3 Roma tomatoes, quarter of a white onion, and 1 serrano pepper. We let it boil for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting, I'm gonna start removing the corn from the cob. I'm using 2 fresh corn, and I like to use fresh corn because it's a little bit more crunchier and more flavorful, but you're welcome to use canned corn. It's been 10 minutes. Our veggies are ready. I'm gonna transfer everything into the blender along with 4 teaspoons of beef bouillon, and we blend. I'm gonna set my pan on medium-high heat and add the meat. I'm using 1 pound of ground beef. We break it down. Once it's broken down, we add 2 minced garlic cloves and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it in. Continue cooking until all the meat has browned. As you can see, all the meat has browned, and now I'm gonna add the fresh corn and cook for about 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, and we're gonna add in 2 potatoes that I've diced. We fry for about 2 minutes, and then we add half of a small white onion and 1 Roma tomato. And we cook until the tomato has released all its juice. It's been about another minute. We add in the salsa, mix, and this is the perfect time to check if you need more salt or beef bouillon. For me, this is just right. Now we add a small bunch of cilantro, reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover it up, and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. It's been 8 minutes, and our picadillo is now ready. And look at guys, oh, it smells so delicious. My son loves this and burritos, and he's right here waiting for me to finish, and he's so excited. All right guys, this is how my boys love to eat the picadillo. We add it to a flour tortilla, así con tortilla de harina. Oh my god, they eat like 2 or 3 at a time. Está súper delicioso. All right guys, now moment of truth. Cheers! It's a little messy, but oh my god, it's so delicious. The potatoes are cooked perfectly. The corn, you get that crunchiness. That's why I love using the fresh corn. And the best part is that it's super easy to make. You can make it in like under 30 minutes. Definitely need to try it. I love it. And there you have it, delicious picadillo con papa y elote. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!